In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a free e-commerce website with WordPress WooCommerce, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. You don't need any coding skills, and you can get a fully functional online store up and running using free tools. This is perfect if you want to sell products online, start a small business, or just learn how WooCommerce works inside WordPress. If you find this video helpful at any point, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control panel of your website. From the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Plugins, then click on Add New. This is where you can install new features and functionality on your WordPress site. In the search bar on the top right, type in WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the most popular free e-commerce plugin for WordPress, and it's trusted by millions of online stores worldwide. Once WooCommerce appears in the search results, click on Install Now. Wait a few seconds for the installation to complete, and then click Activate. As soon as you activate WooCommerce, you'll be guided through a setup process. This setup wizard helps you configure the basics of your online store, like your store location, currency, and the type of products you plan to sell. Take your time here and fill in the details accurately, because these settings affect taxes, shipping, and payments later on. Next, let's move on to adding products to your store. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and then click on Products. Here you can add physical products, digital downloads, or even services. Click on Add Product, then enter your product name, description, and price. You can also upload product images to make your store look professional and trustworthy. Don't worry if you don't have everything perfect right now. You can always come back and edit your products later. After adding your products, it's time to make your website look like a real online store. Go to Appearance in the left-hand menu, then click on Starter Templates. In the search bar, type in e-commerce. You'll see a collection of free e-commerce website templates designed to work perfectly with WooCommerce. Browse through the options and choose a template that matches your brand or style. Once you find one you like, import it and let WordPress do the heavy lifting for you. This instantly gives your site a professional layout without any design experience. Once the template is installed, take a few minutes to customize it. You can change text, images, colors, and layout to match your business. Make sure your homepage clearly shows your products and makes it easy for visitors to shop. At this point, you now have a fully functional, free e-commerce website built with WordPress and WooCommerce. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a free e-commerce website with WordPress WooCommerce. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and online business tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.